Hey guys, welcome back to Bee Swarm Simulator. I know it's been over 3 months since I've ever done a Bee Swarm Simulator video. It's been 3 months since I've ever done a Bee Swarm Simulator video. So I thought it'd be a cool idea, to bring back Bee Swarm. Because not many people are playing Bee Swarm anymore. And I just wanted to bring it back for my, you guys. And not maybe other people, new viewers. Make sure you like and subscribe. So if you enjoy this content, well, if you don't have to. I'm not forcing you. Basically, in today's video, we are going to fight every single enemy if possible. If possible, no, I don't want weather. Basically, I'm gonna try to fight every single enemy possible in Bee Swarm that I can. I probably can't fight Windy Bee or Coconut Crab, but that's okay. This dude say, help? Yeah, sure, dude, I'm gonna help you with Mondo Chick. Yeah, Mondo Chick is gonna stay for some reason. Okay. We're fighting. We're finding the Mondo Chick. Here we go. Now this is gonna take some time, so I'm just gonna skip when the Mondo Chick dies. Hey guys, we're back, and Mondo Chick's not dead. Do you guys even know how long Mondo Chick takes? It takes about almost around, I don't know. Mondo Chick, it takes 15 minutes until it's gone, and then until it'll leave, and then it won't come back. And my Roblox just crashed. How cool is that, you guys? How? The music got turned off and everything, you guys. That's weird, but you guys get the point of Mondo Chick. When it drops a lot of good loot. So, let's not do Mondo Chick. Let's start off basic, with the Ladybug. We're defeating every single one, so easy peasy. So now we're going to do the Rhino Beetle. This is also easy peasy. Easy peasy. Ooh, drop the ticket. Always gotta love tickets. King Beetle, I already defeated that today, but you guys have seen previous videos, so it's basically, the same thing. More Rhino Beetles. Okay. Okay, buddy. Okay, we're in the 5 zone now. It's someone literally just humming the honey storm. We don't need a honey storm, dude. We're trying to make a YouTube video over here. Oh well, at least we can get tickets at least. A ticket will spawn sometimes. I really need tickets. And no tickets spawned. Why, quite that is awesome. Well, anyways, let's go over to the spider. Yes, very spooky. I hate spiders, actually, if you guys didn't know. Well, let's kill this thing. I don't mean it. That's not nice, you guys. Don't kill animals. There are more ladybugs. We're not going to fight more ladybugs. We already fought one ladybug. Come up here. As you can see, there's a werewolf battle over here. It is very scary, as you can tell. I already fought my werewolf. Now we're going to go for mantises. Ooh, level 5. It's not a problem at all. Look at this. Destroyed. Any more token links, please? Spawn a token link. There we go. Now we are going to fight the scorpions. Yes. Very, very, very painful. You just punched each other. It's just dumb. Anyways, let's take this cannon over here. And let's go fight these mobs over here. These guys. Yeah. Another mantis. Yeet. Get no scoped. Get no scoped. Get no scoped. Get no scope. Ooh, the jukes, the jukes, the jukes. The jukes are insane. Boom, token link. Well, it didn't get these tokens. Rip. Well, anyways, let's come over here to the stump snail, which is impossible to defeat at my level. There you go, there's the stump snail. We're gonna, do a little bit of damage. This thing is huge and beefy. Other players can't help you, which is very sad. And yeah. Yeah, it sucks. So we're not gonna fight him. Tunnel bear? I don't know. He's a big toughie. He's a thick one. Well, why don't I go fight the ants? So I'm actually gonna go fight the ants. How many tickets do I have? Okay, max tickets. Spend 1 ant pass. Here you go, ant challenge. There we go. We just gotta attack a bunch of ants. Maybe we can beat the king ant. I'm almost dead. No, it's bad. Eventually there's gonna be lawnmowers. Yes, you guys, lawnmowers. If you ever played Plants vs. Zombies, then you know why it's scary. Fire ants, what the heck? Some cool soundtracks, by the way. Oh no, here come more ants. Army ants, what the heck? Flying ants? You just said fire ants, but you just giant ant, now you have army ants? Lawnmower! Oh crap. Oh no, we gotta watch out for lawnmowers, you guys. If one of those gates open a red spot, run away. Eventually even more lawnmowers respawn. So that's gonna be a big pain in the butt. Bro, why did I forget? Sprinklers, of course. There we go. That's gonna make our lives much easier. Oh no. But we can go in this spot. That spot is kind of OP, honestly. Oh no, another lawnmower. Chops up zombie heads. Is it nighttime? Or is the soundtrack just gone? Oh, the soundtrack's just gone. Oh no, lawnmower. Lawnmower. I'm almost dead. Oh no. Oh no. The lawnmower can almost basically two-shot you if you're not careful. Oh no, lawnmower. Okay, get the army ants, bees. It's kind of weird how bees and ants are both bugs, but they're attacking each other. That doesn't make too much sense. Oh no, lawnmower in the middle. That's bad. That's bad. Oof, I got hit. Oh no, spikes. Oh my god. If I get hit one more time, guys, I'm dead. Dang it. Smacking my bed. Oh crap. Yeah, we're gonna keep my old one. Oh, critical power now. We got critical chance. Keep old. We move so fast. Well, anyways, those are the ants defeated. Yeah, we basically defeated everything that I can defeat. Let's just give Tunnel Bear a test, Let's just give Tunnel Bear a test. I've only beaten Tunnel Bear once. Here we go. Come on, Tunnel Bear. He kind of walks like the cartoony walk, not the cartoony run. The cartoony walk. You need to stay like really far and kind of close so collect the tokens. And that's really good. Stinger. Make sure to activate your stingers if you're fighting him. That bee is just a picture. You guys didn't know. Walk away a little bit. Come on, bees. Got any tokens for me? Got any tokens? Okay. We got a little bit of tokens. There we go, baby love. Tunnel Bear's almost dead. That's nice. We can defeat him for another time. Aw, dang. Come on, we need one of those links. Another link, please. Oh no, that's Rage. I was about to die, you guys. Oh no, we're heading up to the end of the tunnel. Oh no, this is bad. Come on, attack. Spikes. Oh my god. Okay, regen. Are we gonna beat Tunnel Bear? I'm so dead. I'm so dead. Unless the bees come in clutch. The bees came in clutch. Oh my god. Look at all those juicy rewards, you guys. Well, that's everything defeated except for Windy Bee and Vicious Bee. Yeah, that's basically it. Let's, take a drop the stick bug. I'm probably going to fight the bosses in a later episode, if you guys don't mind. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like button. And also to subscribe and click that little tiny bell so you never miss a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.